Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to earn free coins in board dating application. So you can see this is the home page of board dating app. So what you need to do, you need to tap here three line top left corner on your screen. Simply tap on that, and after that you can see the option my coins. Okay, simply tap on my coins. So you can see unlock power up. So first option get coin. So if you tap on that, then you have to buy the coin. Okay, so you can see 4,000 coins you need like $1 or $2. But if you want to get the free coin, so how can you earn? And there is some option here, like if you want to share to social media, then you will get 100. And if you give the review or rate the app on the Google Play Store or App Store, then you will get 250. So it's 350 coin you earn. It's really easy and simple. But if you want to earn more, then you can say unlimited. And here are some option. There are some option like you will earn maybe watch ads. If you watch ads, more ads, then you will get per ads 5 coin. And if you invite this app link here, then you will get 1000 uh, coin. And successful user report, if you report successfully some user who behave rudely, then you'll get 550. And report incorrect translation 25. So if you found anything bug in this application, then you will get. And here daily lab reward, you will get some here. And the verify photos, if you verify your photos, so you will get 200. You have to give your real photos, then you will get 200. And upload photos, if you upload photos, 25. And add interest 25, it means 25. Write profile prompts 25. Add audio description. So if you complete your profile, so it's really easy. You have to give description, profile picture, and city, all this thing 100%, then you will get many free coins. And if you share post, you will get one. And post in 2 dimension. So through this way you can check, it's really easy, and you will earn many coins freely here. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.